Welcome back to the Body Coach TV. Today's workout is nice and simple. It's a beginner's low impact workout, so easy on the kneesy. Gonna take it nice and slow. There's 7 exercises to do. We're gonna do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds rest, do the whole thing twice. So 14-minute low impact beginner's workout. It's not gonna be super intense, but you know, it's a workout, it's getting us into it, and hopefully it's gonna build your fitness so you can progress onto a more challenging workout. So, first thing I'm gonna do, nice and simple, it's just going to be a nice slow marching on the spot. So high knees, we're going to lift the knee, really twist your body. So you're going to feel your abs working a little bit. Okay, so let's go. So 30 seconds. The aim of this workout is to kind of keep the impact low on the joints. And also, you know, if you live in a flat or you've got people below you, it's nice to do some quiet workouts so you don't wake the neighbours up. Right, so keep going. We've got 15 seconds to go. So marching knees, knees up. Elbow to knee, get nice and high. But then we're going to have a 30-second rest before we go into our next exercise. Good, so little rest, 30-30. We're not going to go too mad today. Next one I'm going to do, nice and simple. Feet sort of just widen your shoulders. We're going to come down, touch the ground, and then reach up. Okay, so this is going to be a standard squat with a floor touch. So it's squat, floor touch, squat, floor touch, yeah? So we're going again in 8 seconds time. Here we go, exercise number 2. All right, let's do it. Squat, touch. So squat, reach the sky, good. Inhale, exhale. So inhale on the way down, exhale as you come up. Good, and obviously you can go a little bit quicker if you want. We've got 10 seconds on the clock. Touch the floor, up. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good, awesome, right. Next exercise is going to be a Slo-Mo Burpee. So we're going to go hands on the ground. You walk back. Okay, then you're going to walk forwards and stand up. So it's a slow motion version of a burpee. Got my knees clicking. Right. Okay, so it's going to be hands on the ground. Step, 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 step. Stand up, okay? That's our next exercise. Here we go. Okay, 30 seconds. And up, good. Step, step, up. Stand up tall each time. Step right back into the plank and stand up tall each time. Well done, we've got last few seconds on the clock. Keep going till you hear that bell. Brilliant, right. Good, so next exercise is going to be on the ground. This is a good one for upper body strength, but also our core. We're going to do an up-down plank. So if you're a complete beginner and you haven't got the core strength yet, you can go from the knees. So like this, you're going to go down, down, up, up, yeah? If you think you've got a bit more core strength, you can start from here. So I'm going to do it from this position. Let's go down, down, up, up, good. And if you can see my back's nice and straight, I'm not rocking my hips too much to the left and right, I'm just keeping it nice and strong and stable. Good, 10 seconds to go. Down, down, up, up. One more. Brilliant. So yeah, you may find that you're doing that from the knees. That's fine, but as you get the strength, then you can go up off the knees. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is a side lunge, toe touch. So basically you're gonna lunge, feet together. So sort of a side lunge, and so your right arm's touching your left foot together, and then your left arm touches your right foot. Okay, so we're going in 3 seconds. Let's go to the left. So touch, middle, middle, touch to the left. So left, middle, right foot, middle. Good. Get nice and low. And if you can't touch the toe yet, it's fine. You might only be able to touch your knee. As you get more flexible and stronger, you'll be able to get right down. So 5 seconds. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Next I'm going to do is a slow-mo mountain climber. So in this position, from here, just bring your knee one at a time, foot, and alternate for 30 seconds. So good for your upper body strength, but also this is engaging your core as well, getting your abs working. Here we go. So just step, step. Good. Keeping your back nice and straight. You don't want your bum up here in the air like this. Engage those core muscles and then just step it in. Good. Keep going. 10 seconds on the clock. Really think about those abs working when you bring that knee up. That's brilliant. See, I felt that a lot more than just doing crunches because you're really engaging it by pulling that knee in. There. That's firing your abs up. Right. Final exercise. We're going to be on the mat again. We're going to do T-open. So feet just sort of wide as the mat. And twist round as you do each one, alternate. 30 seconds on that, and that's round 1. Then we're going to go through again and do the whole thing. So then we can go a little bit quicker. We've got all the moves. Right, here we go. So twist. Open up your chest. Good. Twist. Good, keeping your abs engaged. Squeeze and twist. You've got 10 seconds. You'll feel your shoulders and chest opening up. Last rep. Brilliant, so that's round 1. We're going to do exactly the same again. We've got all of those 7 moves, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds rest. So now we can go a little bit more intensity, build it up, trying to get our heart rate up a bit more. So here we go. We're going to start in 10 seconds with the marching knees, yes? So knee, 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 a little bit quicker. Okay, let's go. So march, knee to elbow. Good. Get that knee up, twist. Step, twist. Good. Go a little bit quicker. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Brilliant. Right, next one then, we squat, toe touch, floor touch. So feet sort of turn out a little bit, come down, touch the ground, and then up. So now we can go a little bit quicker with these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, a little bit more quick on the tempo, getting that heart rate up. So this is obviously a really sort of low intensity beginner workout, but I've got loads on the channel, so hit subscribe and just keep searching through. There's loads to try out. Let's go. But the great thing is there's something for everyone. There's beginner, intermediate, advanced, and equipment free. Right, let's go. Right, touch that floor and up. So from the side, touch, straight arms and up. 1, 2, come on, nice and quick. Get that tempo. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Good, so as you can see, you can take these up a little bit more with intensity by moving a bit quicker. So now we're doing the Slo-Mo Burpee again, hands on the ground, walk back, step. And this is one you can speed up a little bit now, get a little bit quicker. So remember, if this is your first workout with me and you're struggling, you can always have a little pause, catch your breath for another 30 seconds, then rejoin me. This is about you. Let's go. This is about you feeling comfortable, and pushing yourself. And don't feel disheartened if you can't do the whole workout in one go, You will get fitter. Come on. And step. Good. Kick. step, and up. Step, step. We've got 5 seconds on the clock. Oh, I should have done another one now. I'm doing one because I stopped too early. Right, so next one then is going to be the up down plank. So on the floor again. And the great thing about HIIT is like, it's working your heart rate, but also your muscles, and you know, it's short and quick, and you're in and out. So you can make this a regular thing daily, you know, and get your regular exercise in. Right, up down plank. Good. So it goes down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Good. Push, come on. Down, down, up, up. Keep your abs tight. Squeeze your bum, squeeze your abs. Keep it all tight. 10 seconds. Down, down, up, up. Last few reps. Come on, one more. Ah, brilliant. See, that just took it up a little gear, didn't it? Just doing it a bit faster. Heart rate's getting up, so you can progress and push yourself. You can either scale it up or down, depending on how fit you are. Right, so we're doing the side lunge toe touch now. So remember, feet together. We'll go to the right, touch, middle, touch, yeah? So let's go nice and quick, nice straight back. Here we go, right, so touch, side, touch, good. Touch. Bring the feet together, lunge, and really get that, if you can, touch those toes. Right, let's go quicker, step. See, it's quite a quiet workout, so there could be, you know, you could be in a hotel room, you could have neighbours, it's not going to wake them up. So this is what's good about low impact stuff. Right, next one I'm going to do is the Slo-Mo mountain climb. So we've got 2 more moves and then we're done. So remember, up into that plank position. And then we go step, step, step. Okay, we're going in 4 seconds. Step, step. Good. Get that knee up as high as you can towards the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that tempo for 30 seconds. Halfway. Keep that bum down. Oh, I'm feeling that in the abs now. Big time. 3, 2, 1. And rest. Yeah, that's very, very good at, if you're not someone who enjoys crunches and you find it just works the neck, them sort of moves really do engage your core. So the plank, the Slo-Mo mountain climbers, things like that. So the last one we're going to do is those T opens. Remember, you're going to put your hand on the ground, and then from there you twist open to make a letter T, like a T, a nice straight line, and then we twist and change. It's the last one, 30 seconds, let's go. Twist. This one's good for your mobility in your shoulders and chest. This is opening you up. Twist, good. 15 seconds to go. Come on, stay strong in those arms. Twist round. Last few reps. One more. Oh. So, that is the end of our beginners, low impact, 14-minute HIIT workout. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a little stretch, drink plenty of water today, and if you found that difficult, just come back tomorrow, have another go. It will get easier. You'll get fitter with me, the body coach, and I'll be getting you lean this year. So have a great day. Hit subscribe. Please like the video, and if you want any more, if you want to make some comments below, you can let me know what sort of stuff you want, what type of exercises, how long I'm going to work for. You know, give me some feedback so I can improve the channel. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time on the Body Coach TV. Bye.